every one of you. I apologize for inconvenience because we have some constrained responsibility, so we had to defer the time. For this inconvenience, we, on behalf of my colleagues, apologizing. And now we can start. It's a statement of the party of Tripura Motha. So I'm reading. After that, I will request my senior colleagues, both of them will share in Bengali also, and it is in English. Press relief. As highlighted on several occasions in the past by our party leadership, we would like to reiterate that we shall not form any alliance with any political party until we are given any written assurances on our core ideological demand of a permanent constitutional solution for the indigenous people of the state, that is Greater Tripura land. Today, we have not received any written proposal or assurance from any national party, and hence any speculation in the media about Tipra Alliance for the 2023 Tripura State Assembly election is entirely baseless and holds no substance. Tipra is not merely a political party. We are in a movement and will not compromise on the hopes and aspirations of millions who have supported us throughout our journey. It is a fact that in past, all the political alliance by regional parties with the national parties without any written agreement or minimum guarantee have not done any justice to the indigenous people. As the party is rapidly increasing its footprints across the state, the party leadership has decided to field candidates from all communities and of religion across several SC and non-reserved seats as well. And we aim to cross the absolute majority mark on our own. The party leadership is working on finalizing the candidates list, which shall be published soon. For every Tipra warriors, our people and our party are supreme, and the decision of our Honorable Chairman Bhubagrat Rajut Vikram Manikka in regard to the State Assembly election shall be deemed final and would be acceptable to all. For our Honorable Chairman shall meet the media in the coming days to brief on the above mentioned as well as several other urgent and important issues. Thank you. This is the press release we shall be distributing and giving each one of the copies. And now I will request other colleagues to share in whatever languages.
As a political party, এখন পর্যন্ত কোনো ন্যাশনাল পলিটিক্যাল পার্টির সঙ্গে আমাদের আইডিওলজিক্যাল ডিমান্ড গ্রেটার ত্রিপুরা ল্যান্ড নিয়ে কোনো কথাবার্তা হয়নি এখন পর্যন্ত। তো যেহেতু আমাদের লুপ যারা আমাদের মথাতে আছেন ওনারাই সুপ্রিম, পার্টি ইজ সুপ্রিম। তো পার্টি লোকরা যেহেতু সুপ্রিম, তাদের যে অ্যাসপিরেশন, তাদের যে চাওয়া, তাদের যে ডিমান্ড আমাদের কাছে সর্বোপরি, পার্টির কাছে সর্বোপরি, পার্টি লিডারশিপের কাছে সর্বোপরি। তার জন্য ত্রিপুরা মথা অ্যাজ এ পলিটিক্যাল পার্টি এই অনগোয়িং যে চলমান যে নির্বাচন 2023-এর, এই চলমান নির্বাচনে ত্রিপুরা মথা একাই লড়ার জন্য সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছেন। তো আমাদের পার্টির যিনি চেয়ারম্যান বুয়াগ্রা প্রদ্যুৎ কিশোর মানিক্য, উনি হচ্ছেন সুপ্রিম কমান্ডার, অ্যান্ড তিনি যে ডিসিশন নেবেন পার্টি লিস্ট, পার্টি ক্যান্ডিডেটের সিদ্ধান্তের ব্যাপারে, ওনার যে সিদ্ধান্তই ফাইনাল বলে আমরা সবাই ধরে নেব। এবং পরবর্তী সময়ে উনি যখন এখানে আসবেন, পার্টির যে ক্যান্ডিডেটের যে মনোনীত যে কিনা বলে প্রার্থী ঘোষণা করবেন, অন্যান্য বিষয়ে তিনি এ সম্পর্কেও বলবেন বর্তমানে। তো এটাই মোটামুটি আজকের এই বক্তব্য আমাদের যে প্রেস রিলিজের।
মোটামুটি
They had faced one pressman also. He came and asked details, and they said, let us have some time so that we can approach to other members of IPFTO, those who are still outside of them at the very point of time in Guwahati. So they will come to state and they will meet other colleagues, those who are still available. Then they will sit together and they will convey the message to our chairman, Maharaj Pradutji, and they are trying, not will, but they are trying so that they come together one time to join Tipra. That is what we have learned from them. And regarding our meeting with other leaders of other parties in the state, we have no record of it. But we still send message that we want that we should come together so that we can replace the present regime. Those who have become very familiar, they are no more familiar with the people. So we have appealed others also. And many have responded to our appeal, especially from towns and outskirts, the minority communities, those who have started their talking with us, if they can become also strong segment of the population, especially the minority Muslim and from scheduled castes also, and Manipuris and religious minorities also. They have all started coming and talking to us so that we can make some alternative state government also. And regarding that issue, it is on process. We cannot just scale it that this much, that much is with us. But we still open our heart and mind and our talking also with them. It continues now because in politics we have to enter to a certain area where we can have good understanding with the people. That is growing on, that is on the process. Now, what we have been talking with ruling party, I will ask our senior leader, Mr. Jagadish Devarma, which we held in Guwahati. So that part is still untold. It's not secret, it is open, but we are yet to take it out and take it to the press also, so that no misunderstanding, no speculation wrongly can be arrived at any places. We are very free, we don't conceal anything. because by concealing nothing will achieve. So we're very, very open to our every step, because our chairman, Honorable Pradut Ishur Maliko, had also advised. He also been advised by other senior and junior mixed population and mixed ages people in our midst. We want that he should be also guided, we should be all guided together, so that we can work actively and with strong mandate we have given to the people, so that people will like to know it. And we are, on the other hand, we are responsible, and we cannot be escaped from any mistake wheresoever, whenever we commit it. So we are answerable. Therefore, we want to reveal everything true, the truth. So now I will ask Jagadish Verma brief about our meeting with Chief Minister Assam and two other BJP leaders, and let talk to the take it.
No need to say again. আমন্ত্রণ খাই কক সালানি হানে not for seat sharing chini core demand no tei kok salai thangka ke jung khoroguri present tongo bobagra kok salu don kok salayo chini kaisa no kok jungno written form kono assurance riya kai jung thangmaya borok singka nong ni tamo core demand clear cut greater Tipra বা টিপ্রালের nke moro BJP ro abono nani ba abono goshimaya hankai jingbo clear no saka tai norogwe kun kok sanan do ka sikri asu kok bli
borbe ono kuno beda beda kha om hanya di
ono kun beda ke
IPFT
IPFT be kok salabani tabo process cholitongo boro Guwahatiwo samani Agartalawo phayi bongni taisa member sugoi kok salai ajal division nanai clear kok kha chini Motha ni chairman ni kok IPFT norok nongni organization no dissolve phayi Tipra Motha wo phayi tabukbo kok samani soya ko boro Agartalawo kok salai chuma sahana ko kai bubagra khana soni Hakino, jotto bobogran thanino clear man.